Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Monster Dirt Deluxe set with Max D by Spin Master. Well, welcome back everyone. Today it is yet another Spin Master Monster Dirt Deluxe set review. I just reviewed the Soldier Fortune Deluxe Dirt set, which of course includes an exclusive truck, which was right here, which is the Soldier Fortune with the muddy tires. So that was part of that pack. I did do a review on it already. I'll put it at the end of this video if you guys have not seen it. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new one with Max D and all the accessories that come along with it. Of course, you can see there it says Max D, Monster Dirt Deluxe set by Spin Master, from the makers of the Kinetic Sand. And you can also see here the back side with the prototype. Of course, that's not the one you'll get inside this box. You'll get a different one. And here's all the different things you could do with this. You can build it, jump it, smash it, crash it, and do it all over again. It includes 16 ounces of Monster Dirt, and of course just a nice overall set. So here it is. Here's what you will receive inside this play set. You can see, of course, you got the exclusive Max D vehicle. It is only found in this pack with this style of treads. So the muddy treads will only be able to be found inside this pack. And of course, it does include one problems questions card, which I have mentioned in previous videos, just in case if you guys ever have any defects or problems. You can always call this number for whatever region of the world you're in. So you can see North America's big number right here. And of course, www.spinmaster.com. So here's the set. Very cool stuff inside this play set. I think this is one of the most awesome ones. Of course, it has some pyro. You can see some sparklers or fireworks here with the orange. And you have a starting gate. So you guys get two of these sets. You can actually make a little starting gate, double starting gate. So you can actually have Monster Jam Racing. So that's pretty cool. A little starting gate. And you get a container. So that's one little barrier container that you can put against the track wall. You might need to buy a few of these sets to actually get a few of these, but you can see it is enough to stop the truck, so that's pretty cool. Probably in the future they might have little sets. This is not confirmed or anything, but I'd love to see little plastic pieces that come in like tiny little sets. So maybe like $5.99 you get plastic like these things, the containers, like 4 of them in a little packet of 4-ounce dirt. That'd be actually pretty cool. Without a truck, instead of being a die-cast play set, it's just a little starter set for the little barriers for an actual stadium. So that's pretty cool. You get another dirt ramp mold. I'm assuming this is a mold for some kind of, looks like a backflip almost. A shovel. It looks like a snow shovel. So you can see that there, and a little triangle, maybe to make little triangles in the dirt. I'm not sure, or it might just be a shovel overall. But the other multi-tools that came in other playsets that I've reviewed previously had 2-sided tools, so I'm assuming this might be for something else. So you can see there a little shovel, of course, with the Monster Jam logo right there. And here's the big 16-ounce container of dirt, and you can see right there the Monster Jam logo in yellow. It is the same dirt style ramp that we got with the Soldier Fortune. So you can see there, that's the Soldier Fortune's ramp, which I reviewed previously. They are the same shape, same everything, and you can actually put them together to make one big ramp. So it cuts off on this side really sharp, and you can actually combine them together. I'll show you guys in this video. So we're gonna open this up here and see what this dirt looks like. It should look exactly like the Soldier Fortune one. So let me see. Yep, same thing. There it is. So that's the Monster Dirt Kinetic Sand, specially formulated for this stuff. And if you guys have not seen my previous videos, I did review the smaller sets, the starter packs, the Blue Thunder, and the Megalodon's ramp. So this is what they look like compared to this one. Much smaller. They're only 8 ounces of dirt. This set retails for $16.99. The starter sets retail for $9.99. So this is actually less than double. This is less than double the starter set price, so it's pretty good. So if you guys are looking for it for a friend, a gift, or even for yourself, that's the starting price for the deluxe set. And here are the other Max Ds that we have seen from Spin Master so far. These are the 2 variations of the singles, and of course the Muddy Treads gray rimmed Max D. So you can see here, here's the comparison between the two. This is the gray rimmed edition that we saw in singles, and we also did see a orange rimmed variation, which is also from singles. So you can see there, pretty cool. I think the gray rim one looks really good with the treads though. So that one's my personal preference for this set specifically. And you can see there, of course, the mud treads. And it does have a chrome base compared to other playset variations which had actually gray bases, like the Blue Thunder. So I'm not sure. Maybe they'll just alter between the two. Megalodon also had a gray base, but Soldier Fortune did not. Chrome base. So it's interesting how they do those, but this one definitely has a chrome base, which actually stands out much better. So you can see that's the Max D, and there's what it looks like with the starting gate. It does fit underneath it, so that's pretty cool. I don't think Mohawk Warrior will fit underneath this though, unfortunately, because the Mohawk's a little tall, but you can see the Max D definitely fits through. And let me see if Megalodon does as well. Yep, just barely pulls through. Let me see if the tail fits. Yep, the tail fits too. Okay, so probably Mohawk Warrior will be the only one that does not, but still pretty cool how it does fit through there. Of course it should, but Mohawk Warrior probably won't. And you can see here's the pyro. You can just stick those on the dirt itself. You can stick them in there. It's kind of hard to get it in there, but you can see it holds pretty well. Of course, if Maxi's going to do a stunt jump, you can see here, you can line it up and do a jump over all the trucks like he does at those shows in the international tour. So that's pretty cool. And here's your container. I think you can actually mold the container, so let's see. Let's start molding some stuff here. Since we have seen the big ramp already in my Soldier Fortune review, I'm just going to start molding this stuff right away. So we're going to make I'm just going to call this a backflip container for now, and we'll put it on top of this ramp. So let's go ahead and do it. And it's funny how this color is actually the Monster Energy backflip ramp. That's a cool thing. The color's supposed to, I guess, that's supposed to make a little hint at that, the little Ryan Lacoste stuff. So pretty cool. The Monster Energy backflip ramp is mentioned by this color. There it is, the little container. So that was a little difficult to get out before I knew how to do it. So you have to shake it out, not try to hit it against the desk. I was trying to do that before, but here it is, the backflip container. So that's pretty cool. You could probably stack those up and make a big backflip container. And then here is the other mold with the actual backflip side. So we're gonna mold that together. I might need just a little bit of dirt for this one. So let's see what this looks like. So I finally got it out. Took a little while to get all the dirt perfectly set in there, but there it is, the nicely pressed ramp. So let me just set that right there. And you can see it does have the little indents of the arrows. And of course, this should be a backflip side. If you get enough speed, I don't have a big enough studio to do a full backflip, but it does, or you can pretend to do a backflip directly off that. So it looks like the double backflip ramp that he usually does double backflips off of. So that's pretty cool. And it does size up pretty well to the truck. So that's a cool little ramp. And of course, this stuff, like I've said in previous videos, it does hold together really well. If I were to smash the truck into it like this, it does take a while to actually break it down into a mushy look. So if you guys, again, if you mesh it up, you could just re-ball it up here and then put it back into the whatever mold you choose and remold it into a ramp. So pretty cool stuff. I love these play sets, these little Monster Dirt sets. These are probably one of my favorite things, like I've said before, of Spin Master products. And I cannot wait to see the next ones. Hopefully there'll be more this year. And maybe these are the only ones. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure Spin Master wants to get as many of these little things out here as possible because people are looking forward to building their own ramps. So hopefully that's true. I'm just assuming, of course, but I think it'd be awesome if we saw some more. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Let me know if you guys will be collecting these sets, or if this set is the one you want to buy, or if you guys probably won't. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know, and I'm sure the feedback for the designers would be awesome as well. So thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan and Monster Jam OCD, signing out.